Hi guys, we are here again in the second tutorial about developing video games. In the last tutorial we wrote some code to start to develop our video game. So we talked about FPG load, write function, and creating new process and setting some videos configurations. Okay, well, we are here. Let's execute this code again and let's see what happened. See some text and our player in the center of the screen. Let's press escape to exit of our game. Nice, it's done. Let's put some action to our player. We want to play, no? Well, let's start. Okay, I play some moves, but first I'm gonna create some local bars like delay, vector bar with 10 positions, because in the where we are developing some bosses, okay, we could use many delay bars to control some move or decision in the way that the boss can attack. Okay, well, we have this bar now, and let's add some action. We're gonna use sentence if it's a condition. When the condition becomes true, the action of the sentence inside start to be executed. So let's use here if key D is pressed. Let's move it right. So x coordinate plus equal 3. Press F6 and let's see what happens if I press T key. Nice, it's moving, but I can move back again. So let's add a new condition. Let's add a new condition. X coordinate minus 3 points, but if we press A key, so we can move left and right. Nice, easy. But this window is very small. I need to see more. Okay, I want to see this graphic a little bigger. Let's view a new part. Before we set mode, we must write scale resolution to stretch our screen to some resolution higher. So I want to write in extreme value, I mean inside these quotes, double quotes, okay? 0 900. Let's press F6. 9 is bigger now, but our window is in extreme position. Let's move this window, to 15, and let's press exit. Oh, move window procedure doesn't exist. Let's add this mode that let us to set some Windows functions. Nice, we can see figure, but this is so simple. Let's add more movement, but first let's make some animation in this. Okay, so let's make this first. X coordinate, set the position of the object inside the screen, inside the game, the memory game. Okay, because you can have an object out the region of the screen. Okay, so we have y coordinate, z coordinate, that in Qt codes, it doesn't it doesn't do a lot. Okay, so let's try this. If graph and sorry, we have this bar. Flux is 0. What is flag? Flux, it lets us to make some mirror on the graphic. So if some graphic is washing to the right with this bar, you can make that graphic make some mirror move. So if that graphic is watching at the right, if you apply this flux equal 1, you can make that graphic watch on the left. It's very easy. Why this? Let me show you what happened. We have 3 graphics that is moving to the right only. So when I move to the left, I will need that this graphic turn left, okay, or a mirror on left. So if graph or till a positions 0, I'm gonna make double plus 3 till a and share the same than 0, and here if this becomes true, each frame I'm gonna execute this. So when this increase and go higher than 3, this condition becomes true. So this will execute the sentence inside this condition. At the last of this condition, I'm gonna reset delay position 0 to 0, and that will make that this condition execute every 3 frames. Okay, so I'm gonna increase graphic. If graph increase is higher than 3, graph is the same as 3. I'm gonna copy and paste this same sentence here. Okay, and let's see what happened. Oh, nice. But what happened here? My plane stay very strangely. This is odd position, so I must correct this quickly. I'm gonna close this game. So I'm gonna close these consoles. Well, let's create another var. Let's create local var x speed and y speed to make some move on x coordinate and y coordinates. So let's put here before the frame line, let's write x plus equal x speed. So let's delete this and delete this. What? Let's see what happened. Oh, just a move, but moving animation, but nothing's it's happening with control. Let's correct that. It's very simple. Let's add some value to x speed for the same speed is equal to 3, and on a x speed is equal to -3. -3, let's execute it again, and we can see that is moving. But when I release the key, I can see the plane is keeping moving, and I need to correct that. Okay, let's correct it. It's very simple. Let's cut this block of sentence, okay, and let's put it here. This I will comment this because I need to put some new actions here. So if I press X speed, it's equal to 3. So I'm gonna add some else action. That means when I release the key, this will happen. This will happen. I evaluate if X speed is higher than 0, positive position, I'm gonna decrease it. X speed minus decrease action start when I release the key. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's stopping. Very nice. Okay, let's add the same sentence inside the A key condition, but I can change this. When X speed is lower than 0 or negative value, I must increase this value until make it 0 too, because we decrease here until make this bar equal 0, and here we increase values at 1 by 1, sorry, increase value by 1 until make X speed bar equal to 0, and that will stop the movement. So that's nice, but what about the animation? Simple. Let's uncomment this and let's write a new condition. Video games, it's almost all about conditions, okay? Let's write here and let's make a condition. If X speed is different of 0, or if it has movement, it has movement, we can make some animation. If our plane stop it, we assign graph number 1. Let's watch how this is going. Oh, but if I moved on left, my plane keep moving with a right animation. I need to correct that. How can I do on this case? Simple. I was talking about flux bar, so let's assign here a new flux value, flux equals 0, this time flux equal 1. So this make that the graphic mirror on the left and graphic mirror on the right, or the graphic mirror like origin image. Okay, express x6, let's see. Oh, very nice. We can see nice move. We can make this animation more longer. It's very quick and it's not as soft as we want. So let's increase this value to 5 or 6 and let's prove it. Okay, it's pretty nice. We can make this higher. 12. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, I like it. Let's add some var here because it's a scale quality var. and always is like 1, it's equal to 1, so that makes that our graphic has that white borders. Let's erase that because it's a process, a scale processes internal in the code of menu that let uh, make some graphics better. But for now, I'm gonna use a scale equality equal to 0. Express f6. Oh, it's pretty nice now. Well, this is all on this tutorial. Let's see us in the next video. Don't forget that. See you later, guys.